Unboxing the Dosamatic. Unbox the Dosamatic by removing the lid of the pallet box. Once you remove the lid, you will find a user manual along with the cleaning kit and the Dosamatic machine inside the box. Make sure to read the user manual thoroughly and then begin the unwrapping process. Cut open the bubble wrap with a knife or a cutter. Be sure to lift the machine from the bottom and support its weight evenly to avoid damaging it. With the help of a partner, lift the machine and place it on the table. Take out the batter tank, which is tied to the pan, then unwrap the batter tank, oil tank and the water tank. The appropriate size for the table should be 3 by 3 square feet in dimension. Now, the Dosamatic machine is unboxed and ready for you to start the installation. Once the Dosamatic machine is out of the box, take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage. If you notice any dents, scratches or other damage, contact the manufacturer or the retailer immediately. Now that the Dosamatic machine is unwrapped, it's time for the installation process. Firstly, inspect the pan for any scratches. Fix the oil tank and the water tank and then pour 800 ml of oil and water in each of these tanks respectively. You can find a water trough attached at the rear end of the machine. Pull the water trough out and then pour 1.8 liters of water into it. Now, bow yourself to inspect the gap between the spreader and the pan, which must be above 1 millimeter. Locate the power cord and plug it into a nearby outlet. The machine requires a single phase of 230 volts 16 amperes with 3.5 kilowatts of load. Be sure to use a grounded outlet and avoid overloading the circuit. Earthing to be between earth and neutral below 5 volts of alternating current. Proceed to switch on the machine. Make sure the MCB and the power switch are turned on. Once the machine is powered on, the pan will take 15 minutes to heat. Once the pan is heated up, press the up and down navigation keys simultaneously for nozzle cleaning process and repeat the process for 3 to 4 times until the oil and the water are dispensed in the correct manner. Now run a trial by pressing the green OK button. Once everything runs smoothly, add the batter into the batter tank and fix it back on the machine. Start making your dosa with a single touch of the green OK button. For any thickness adjustments, you can use the knobs given on top mechanism, particularly the unit which moves to and fro. If cooking time and the size of the dosa needs to be changed, then long press the green OK button where you will find both the data needed for the adjustments. For adding any of the ingredients or any masalas, you can use the gap between the batter tank and the nozzles. Keys on the Dosamatic. Our Dosamatic has 4 main keys. They are emergency button. In case of an emergency, press the emergency button and the machine will automatically restart. OK button to start the dosa making process and to adjust the cooking time and the size of the dosa. Navigation keys. Up arrow single press, spreader cleaning. Up arrow long press to access the service menu. Press the left arrow and the top arrow. Down arrow single press, pan cleaning. Down arrow long press, oil priming. Left arrow single press to decrease production of the number of dosas. Right arrow single press to increase production of the number of dosas. Up and down arrow long press. Nozzle cleaning. Hope you are familiarized with all the keys. That's all for now and we'll see you in the next video.